Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit radio button in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now I'll edit this to radio button. Simply open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare From option. Select here. Now click on your radio button and click right button. Here you will find this Properties option. You can ungroup radio button. First I will show. I'll change the appearance option. You can change border color. Choose this one and border thick. And font size you can add custom font size. I'll choose auto. Also you can change symbol color an option. And you can change. I'll choose cross. And see this shake. And now see this preview and see this radio button now working and symbol color and border color already changed. Again select edit option. I'll change this one circle and select. Now you can align properties, align horizontally and see this. Also you can make this same size here and see this. Also you can ungroup. I'll change one of this name different. Sorry, two of this name already changed. I'll change one of them to and close and see this uncheck not allowing, all are allowing check. Yeah, also you can remove check boxes. Press delete from your keyboard. Also you can add new radio button and preview and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.